Another episode of Hendrix Goes to Bed.
Come on,
Hendrix,
go to bed.
what you want? I ain't ready to go. Do I gotta go right now? Huh? I gotta go right now? Hendrix, up. Time to go to bed. I don't want to go. Can I stay up 5 more minutes? It's Friday. And school be out.
Time to go to bed. Come on.
Up. Come on. Come on.
Come on, Hendrix. Let's go.
I want justice.
Come on.
I got my freedom. I got my rights. I'm going to do a sit-in and protest.
So stupid.
My bedtime.
Come on, Hendrix.
I'm going to kill you in your sleep. Hendrix, let's go. Come on, time to go.
He's like, no. He said no.
You going to have to come get me. All right. I told you. I ain't scared of you. I'm a dog. I will bite your ass. You don't think so? Look at my teethus.
Oh, boy.
Come on, buddy. Treat. Outside? Let's go outside.
Yeah, I'll get up for that.
You better not be bullshitting me. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Man, you on some bullshit. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Outside? I ain't falling for that bullshit again. You ain't getting me in there again. I'm staying right here. Hendrix. No, man. Shit. I'm from the west side.
He's not budging. Come on, Hendrix.
Let's go, buddy.
Let's go to bed. Time to go to bed. Come on. Time to go. Let's go. Good boy.
Y'all help me. I asked you once before why I gotta go to bed. I ain't that tired this time. That's okay.
It's like a 15-minute video.
When I get out of here, I'm biting both y'all asses. I'm going to bed now. See you, buddy. Go to bed. No, you take your ass to bed. I ain't going nowhere. I'm gonna watch your ass go to bed. Turn that damn coat off. Bye.